Before any floating infrastructure project gets underway, meticulous pre-installation planning is essential to ensure both success and safety. The process starts with a comprehensive site survey and reconnaissance. Here, engineers evaluate the type of water body, tidal data if relevant, shoreline accessibility, and the presence of nearby infrastructure such as jetties or ports. This initial assessment helps determine technical feasibility and highlights potential risks like strong currents or sedimentation. Next, bathymetric and topographic data collection is conducted. Bathymetric surveys map underwater features and depth contours, while topographic surveys capture the land interface. This information is crucial for identifying suitable anchoring points, understanding sediment types, and designing floating layouts that allow for proper draft and clearance. Load and structural calculations follow, where the team estimates live loads from people or equipment, dead loads from the structure itself, and environmental forces like wind and waves. These calculations inform the selection of pontoons, structural reinforcements, and safe mooring systems. Regulatory approvals and permits are a critical step, ensuring compliance with authorities such as the Inland Waterways Authority, environmental agencies, and local departments. Environmental and ecological assessments evaluate the project's impact on biodiversity, water quality, and seasonal changes, ensuring sustainable development. Finally, utility planning and execution logistics are addressed, covering service lines, material transport, and installation schedules. Each step, when carefully executed, lays the foundation for a resilient and compliant floating infrastructure project.
To know more, inquire now on aquainfra.com.